Hello guys, welcome back to Lan App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to create a Wix website for affiliate marketing. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're looking for a way to create a website for affiliate marketing, there are going to be a few things that you could basically do here. So first things first, you want to go to wix.com, log in into your account, and let's go and start creating our website. Now, usually the top right here, you go and click on create new site and just use the option here that says use Wix editor. Now from here, the first thing that you need to do here is whatever input, whatever information you put here is going to be included on the setup process. So in my case, I'm going to click on setup without chat. And from here, it's going to ask you what type of website you want to create. So in this case, since we want to basically create affiliate marketing website, just type in affiliate marketing. Now from here, there are going to be a lot of things here. So in this case, I'm going to choose affiliate marketing portfolio, which is what I'm aiming for. Click on continue. Now basically an affiliate marketing web page or Wix website here is just basically a portfolio that you could add links to. So in this case, once you are in your dashboard, let's go and add your website name. So in this case, I'm going to say this is going to be my affiliate portfolio. And let's go and click on continue. Now it's going to ask what type of Wix apps you want to add here. So you could go and choose portfolio. Let's go ahead and click on continue. So obviously you can add whatever you want. Let's go and click on continue the dashboard. Now in order for us to properly start managing this, we need to follow the setup page here. But typically speaking, the page itself is very easy to fill up here. So usually you have the add a project to your portfolio option, design your web page here. And also have the get found on Google, so this is for SEO, and discover Wix Enterprise. Now the cool thing about Wix here is every step of the way on building your website here, Wix will actually guide you. As long as you follow the steps or the things that you need to do here on Wix, you should be good. But for now, let's go ahead and click on the design site at the top right here in order for us to start setting up our web page, and click on the option here that says pick a template. Now, by the way, if you want to use AI to generate design, you can go and click on the other one, which is there, generate design. But from here, let's go ahead and choose whatever design you want to use. So for example, I want to use this one. Let's go and click on edit. Now from here on, you can go and basically start changing the images that you see here, the text. So they are pretty easy to update. So if you just want to retain the actual look here, you go ahead and do that and just replace a few things like images or text. Let's just wait for this to load up. Now it's going to start adding Wix portfolio here, just wait for that. But once it's actually added, you can go ahead and start editing it. So let's go ahead and click on the appropriate one here. So in this case, if you want to edit the text, you just double click on it and you can go and edit the text itself. You could also change the font, the style here, if you want to make it bold, italic. It's the same thing you usually have on your designs. Also, the great thing about Wix here is it's drag and drop. So you could just press and hold on it and move it around, which is something pretty easy to do as long as you know how to drag and drop things here. Now, if you want to add elements in here, you can go and click on the plus button at the top left and just choose whatever you want. So we have text, images, button, strip, box, galleries. Obviously, there are going to be advanced ways to use this, but if you just want to use your already existing designs here, you can go ahead and do that. Now, from here, you can go ahead and add or start adding your projects. So in this case, you can go ahead and click on the option or button here. This is my business. Go ahead and click on Wix portfolio. Go ahead and click on add new project. And from here, you can go ahead and just start adding your projects. So for example, this is a great time for you to basically add your affiliate marketing. So let's go and choose affiliate networks. And let's go ahead and add product reviews as well if you want. Let's go and click on next. And from here, you can go start uploading your images. Let's go and click on upload from computer and choose your images here. Click on open. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and basically start generating your projects. So in this case, you go and click on the set up without AI here if you want to do this yourself. So in this case, you go and select everything here. Like for example, I want to select from here, this, and this. Let's go ahead and basically delete all the selected one. Just want to keep one. Now if you want to add another project here, click on add project and just fill out all the necessary details. So from here, that includes the description, basic info about this one, project type, the date and location, and also the media for it. So in this case, go upload one. Let's go and choose this one. Click on open. And from here, you could add the description, alternate text if you want to, And yeah, let's go and click on done here and click on done. We just added our project. Now if you want to start managing this, you can go and click on edit here, and from here you could add additional information like the basic info, the media here, if you want to add collections, if you want to share this project, add alternate text or image here, and a lot more. Now if you want to add like a link for it, like for example to link your affiliate marketing or your affiliate link, you can go and just click on the label here. The text for it will be appearing on your project, and also the URL for it. So whenever they press it, this will actually open up. But yeah, let's go and cancel this one and cancel this one. And from here, it's going to add a section. Click on my business. Let's go to our WIX portfolio. And from here, maybe we want to basically manage our projects. And again, you could go and just start managing your projects in here. So in here, let's go ahead and go to our section. Click on the add elements option. And you could go to list and add whatever list you want to do use here. So for example, I want to use this one. Go ahead and click on repeater, click on manage items, and basically you could go ahead and basically add your whatever items you want. But if you don't want to do this manually, you could just click on this one, delete this, and just click on my business. You could go ahead and click on WIX portfolio and click on add featured collection to add collections gallery. And from here, you should automatically add our projects that you currently have, and that should actually do the trick. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Land App. Thank you for watching.